In this video, I'm going to be turning a spinning top. It's my own take. It's a quick little project. It's good for practice and other things. I hope you enjoy and it inspires you to get out in your shop and make something. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did and you would like to watch more content, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification button so you can be notified when I release new content. Like my next video will be me turning this small applewood bowl dish. It's about 5 inches by 2 inches tall. Have a good one. Be safe.